Okay, so I just wanted to show you the outside. There's these weird rocks. They're fake. And there's flowers. There's bushes, there's trees. And then there's over here, there's a bird of paradise right here. And the reason they call it a bird of paradise is because it looks like a bird. Like that right there looks like a bird. Like the beak and everything. Yep. I don't know what's up with this rock though. There's this. It looks like there's like a sewer down there or something. I don't know what that is. Okay, we got a fountain where you can place coins. That thing was in there for some reason. Then you've got benches. And then here's the hotel. I step back to show you the whole thing. I think we're gonna have to run a little backward. Okay, right there is the hotel. Yep.
Is that it?
Crap.
So there's white bird of paradise is over here.
Over here, there's some white bird of paradises. Right here. So, we'll see you in the car.